So in this video, I've got a UV lamp. So we're going to see what type of features these banknotes do have in UV characteristics. So Hong Kong $20. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I quite like that. Okay, so we've got the UV features there. So this is quite a complicated UV characteristics. Then we got the paper banknote from Papua New Guinea, and all the little fibers are UV. So this is not really showing up in the video quite well. Oh, you can see there all the little fibers. If you turn it over, get the same thing. And also the whole banknote sort of like turns purple. So that is very interesting. That's okay. Let's see if older banknotes do have this UV feature. So South Vietnam banknote from 1955, and I don't see anything on those. So UV is probably more like a 2000, probably 1980s current banknote. Hong Kong $5, pretty well circulated, but still it should show up, but no. Okay, hey, Charter Bank 1970, and nothing on that. Here we have a Cambodian, so this is a current note. You can see the fibers are also sticking out. This is only worth 2 cents, so I'm not surprised that the features are not really sophisticated. If you got a high denominations, you probably get it. Okay, an older French franc from 97. I don't see any UV on that one. No UV. So it must be more of a current thing. So these are 50 francs. Is that a UV feature? Might be. Might not be. Might be just a stain. Nope. Okay, here we have the 100 francs. So this is from 82. So it might be a UV feature. Or it could be just a white. Okay, 500. No, that's a watermark. No UV feature. Here we have the last series of French banknotes. Hopefully this will have UV features. Oh yes, it does. There you go. Okay, you got the animal. That's about it. Okay, that's the 50. That was equivalent to $10. The 20 equivalent to $100. So you've got another UV feature there. Not very complicated. And that's it. Okay, the 200. There's a bridge. And the 500 was equivalent to $100. Yeah, so they're not really complicated. So this is probably the start of the UV incorporation into banknotes. And then we got this one definitely won't have UV. It's from 1940s. Okay, so I don't think the older banknotes have UV. So this is Manchurian. No UV. So yeah, I won't worry about the older banknotes. And Australian pre-decimals probably don't. How about this Bank of China? Probably not. It's worth just checking some, because there has to be a start. And you don't know what banknote that is. Okay, Moldova. So there's a 2015. These ones should have some UV. Oh, security thread. Yeah. There you go. That's quite a nice UV. Turn it over, and just have these security threads. Okay, the same with that one. Okay, you can see the UV there, there, and there. The older series doesn't have as much UV in it. Okay, here's the 20 Loi 2015. Okay, and then we got some Chinese. No, I don't think these have UV. Maybe the current series of banknotes from Taiwan. So $100. Oh yeah, there you go. Quite nice. That is the lowest banknote. It's equivalent to about $5 here in Australia. Okay. Okay, security thread. How about the 200? This one very rarely see it in circulation. It's not a very popular banknote. My wife asked around for this. And just security thread, that's what. Okay, so yep, the more modern banknotes have UV, the older ones don't. So these are all old Chinese banknotes. So that said, I've got some more current banknotes. So this is the previous 100,000 Loi from Romania. Got 100,000 there. And let's have a look on the other side. No, that's it. So pretty simple, that one. The Dutch 25 gulden. I don't see any UV light. No, don't see any UV on that one. This is a 1990s banknote. What a nice one. Hong Kong $10. So there is some UV on that one. There you go. That's the main UV feature, is the 10. €5. Just security threads. And there's not much. Yeah, just the security threads. Okay, Hungarian banknotes. Security threads as well. So these used to be coloured and imprinted in banknote. Now they're just UV and imprinted. Okay, not much on that one. Sorry, dropping my coins everywhere. Okay, so there's a nice UV feature. I think after this, I'm going to buy a UV lamp. Okay, there you go. Nothing much there. And then we've got some Samoan banknotes. So I'll just do the 2 and probably the 50. Obviously serial number. And nothing. And the 50. Okay, there's the UV features on that. 50 and the actual banknote. On this side, no, I don't see anything. Okay, let's have a look. See the 5 has got the same thing. 10s, 20s, and another 20. A little bit faded. So that is what you can do with a UV lamp. Hope this was insightful. I recommend you get one of these and just check your own banknotes, because it's got me interested, and hopefully it will get you interested too. So thank you very much for watching my video. If it bores you, well, if not, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you've found in UV features, and which banknote do you think is the best in the UV features, because practically, I don't know. Anyway, thank you and goodbye.